fire, it will be hammered here against the emboss to give the shape to the blade.
I'm not 13.
You're not 13, but let me go to the hall.
I'm doing that. Okay, there you are. You're gonna bring the steel red hot. You don't believe that it's red hot? I let you touch it. And you will see. Look at that. That is gonna be the upper part of the sword, where the handle is. That's for the handle, the upper part. This operation has to be repeated for about 3 or 4 hours, depending on the size and the shape of the sword. For example, if I had to make a sword like this, it will take longer. To make a curly blade like this, look at this curly blade. Curly blade. You might be wondering, how do they manage to make a curly blade like that by hammering here against the emboss? Impossible. No, they bring it for the fire red hot, and they hammer in this part of the emboss. By hammering that part of the emboss, they make the curly blade. It takes longer to make a blade like this. Then this sword has been forged, but it's not tempered. Look what happens. If I bend it, stays bent, no good. But after we do the tempering, I tell you, the tempering gives the steel the hardness, and you guys see, look at that. Goes back to the former position.
Wow.
That's what the tempering does. That's why the steel is so good. We do the tempering with the water from the river. Okay? Now you know what I told you this morning. Now I leave you in the hands of the charming young lady that is going to have a baby pretty soon, and she's going to show you how to make this beautiful work that we make in Toledo. Typical damascene, the beautiful jewelry. Go with her, please.